MyDietAnalysis allows you to practice and learn nutrition through hands-on diet and activity tracking. Access MyDietAnalysis by logging into your account directly from the MyDietAnalysis sign-in page. Or if you're using MyDietAnalysis with Mastering, you can access MyDietAnalysis directly from your course homepage or by selecting MyDietAnalysis from your Mastering course navigation. Ask your instructor if you have any questions about how you should access MyDietAnalysis. To track your diet or activity, you'll first want to create a profile. To create your first profile, select Profiles and choose Create a Profile. Enter some basic information, fill out your weight goal and activity level, choose an avatar, and select Create a Profile. Your new profile is ready to use in the Profiles tab. You can create up to 6 unique profiles. The profile you're currently using is indicated by a check mark next to the profile's avatar. Now that we have a profile, we can track food and activity. First, let's track food. Select Diet and use the search field and the filters to search for a food item. If you'd like to see more nutrient data for a food item, select the info icon. To add a food item to your diet, place a check mark next to the item you'd like to add and select Add to Diet Tracker. Choose which days to which you'd like to add the food. Select Add to Days. You can track up to 7 days per profile. Use Quick Select to quickly select recently tracked foods and add it to your diet. What happens if you can't find the food you want to track? If you can't find the food item you need, you can easily create the food or recipe and add it to your diet. To create a food item, select Create Food and choose Create New Food. Fill out the required fields along with as much nutrient data as possible to keep your food data accurate. When you're finished, select Save Food. The food item will be saved to your My Foods list. You can now select the food and add it to your diet. To create a recipe, select Create Recipe and choose Create New Recipe. Give your recipe a name, fill out the serving amount, use the search field to search for and add ingredients to your new recipe. Once you're done adding ingredients, your recipe will now be available to choose from the Create Recipe area, where you can add it to your diet. You can always edit or delete any food or recipes you create as you continue to track your diet. Lastly, let's learn how to track an activity. Select Activity from the menu and use the search field to search for an activity. Find the activity you'd like to track and choose Add to Activity Tracker. Once you've tracked an activity, you can add the activity to other days, just like you can with food. You can always delete an activity from your tracker by selecting the activity and choosing Delete. Use Quick Select to quickly select recently tracked activities. To learn more about MyDietAnalysis, subscribe to the Pearson YouTube channel. Visit support.pearson.com or click another video and keep watching.